Well, hey everyone, it's Gabby Girl. It's 4 degrees outside. I am bundled up. I got my hood on, my hat, and I got my sweater on, and we're going to the vets today in the morning. I have to be there early. And today, Mom's so worried. She's like, oh, please, everybody send your positive vibes, prayers. I have to go under anesthesia today. I'm having a dental. Remember the last time I had a dental when I was 6 months old, and when I woke up, I was missing 6 of my front teeth. Yeah, they're all missing there on the top, remember? So I'm like, yeah, this isn't going to be good. What if they rip all my teeth out and I'm going to be toothless when I come home today? I hope that's not the case. But they said I have some tartar on my teeth and I need to get the tartar out. And I'm like, and they say, well, maybe your mama should brush them more often. I'm like, yeah, I don't like her in my mouth. Anytime someone goes in my mouth, they rip my teeth out, remember? So I don't know. Hopefully it goes well, guys. Send your positive thoughts, prayers, and vibes today, because Mama's a bundle of wrecked nerves, and it's cold. I gotta go out in it, and I haven't had any ginger snaps or no sneaky snacks or not even breakfast. I can't even have a drink of water. So hopefully this goes fast enough, and Mama gets me home so I can have some food later on. But keep your pancakes warm, guys. It's one of those days.